can't dive into someone's feet. Go make sure.
Come on, feel.
Where's that guy? I got it. What's the call on that? You have Tim for the trip? Or the original trip?
Yeah, well, that's what the original was.
Kay.
Jeff and I are going to talk about it here, all right, Shea?
All right. A trip. I think they're giving him a trip. That's it.
Yeah, we got a minor penalty for clipping on Des. Like, he tries to submarine the guy. If he makes more contact there, that's a major. Like, he's lucky that guys are skating up.
Minor penalty. So there's nothing, you don't have any in the scrum?
Nothing after that, just the one.
All right. Yeah, we're good. Just a minor, just the two. I'm gonna get speed around the net and fly up, like real fast.
I'm gonna.
They're right on you, hey?
I'm gonna start on the outside. I'm gonna make my way across. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna come up and then go like that.
Okay, cut.
So I'm gonna make two on the other side. Passes there. Just know that I'm always gonna face you with my.
Yeah. It's there. Just find a lane. I'll get it to you. Hey, Millsy, you're jumping, hey? Hey, I guess you can slash the hands all you want as long as they don't hear anything. It's a hook!
Power.
Hey, can you watch your slashes for me? I know all our guys are complaining, like I took about 5 or 6 on the hands.
5 or 6, Shea?
Oh yeah, the one shift from Nichols.
All
All
right.
right, up, go. Ends! Attaboy, Volks! I can almost bet you that you scored most of your goals top corner. Not really low.
I didn't like. He's looking at me from way over there.
Yeah. I mean, you're gonna beat him right by the ears though. Yeah. That's where you gotta shoot it. Like his glove, like it's pretty fast, but it's a longer way for his like right beside his neck, you know. No penalty, no. You saw that, hey? You saw that hole. See the stripes? Go! Yeah! Attaboy, Lipsy! Attaboy, Lipsy!